Just popped into this nice park of Fraser Properties down here at Yatala. Super excited to have a look at this park. I collaborated with the landscape architect originally in bringing this to life. It's got one of our super-sized Akora Shelters in it with the street-style table settings, very functional, couple of frontier barbecues. Obviously it was designed for workers' well-being with the fitness equipment in here. Looks great.
Just finished up a session with the City of Gold Coast and some really great discussions with the team here. What's really noticeable is that there's a tremendous pressure from local government for their parks and open spaces to become more things to more people, and a huge pressure on their maintenance teams to continue to maintain the product that's going in, showing the importance of choosing the right finishes and low maintenance finishes at the start.